Welcome back, everyone. If you're like many users who've encountered issues on Facebook and need assistance, you might be wondering how to contact Facebook support. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get in touch with Facebook support for help with your account or any other concerns you may have. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on the three-line icon in the top right corner of the Facebook page. Locate the Help Center. You can usually find this option inside the Help and Support options. In the Help Center, you'll find a search bar. Type in keywords related to your issue or question. Facebook's Help Center contains a wealth of information and frequently asked questions that might address your concerns. Review the search results and explore the articles provided. Facebook often offers solutions to common issues right within the Help Center. Click on any relevant articles to find step-by-step instructions or troubleshooting tips. If you couldn't find a solution to your problem in the Help Center, it's time to contact Facebook support directly. Get back to the Help and Support option and look for Report a Problem and click on it. Then look for the Continue to Report a Problem option and click on it. Facebook will ask you if you want to include information about your device, account, etc. Choose the option you like from Include or Don't Include. Facebook will prompt you to select the category that best describes your issue. This helps ensure that your inquiry is directed to the appropriate support team. After selecting the issue category, you'll have the opportunity to describe your problem in more detail. Be as specific as possible and provide any relevant information that might assist Facebook's support team in resolving your issue efficiently. Once you've provided all the necessary details, review your request and click the Submit button. Facebook will process your request, and a member of their support team will get back to you as soon as possible. And there you have it. That's how you can contact Facebook support for assistance with your account or any issues you encounter on the platform. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.